Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarokaatuh, everyone. Hi guys, welcome to Kireina Aqeela channel. I'm Yulia and this is Kirei. Today I'm gonna show you how the way to make this cute character steam cake. Children's favorite cake that very easy to make. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let us prepare the ingredients. Okay, now here we need 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 75 grams of sugar, dark red, egg yolk, light yellow, light green, blue, purple, dark brown, and pink of food coloring. 1 to 1.5 eggs, half a tablespoon of emulsifier, a quarter teaspoon of powdered vanilla, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of chocolate bars, and then 50 grams of quick melt cheese, 100 milliliters of milk. We also need steamer for steaming. Just give water 3/3 and then don't forget to cover the lid with cloths so that the moisture doesn't drip. We need a large bowl for mixing, large spoon, spatula, and mixer, and small baking sheet and paper cup for steam cake like this, about 9 till 10 pieces. And last, 10 sheets of plastic cone. Okay, now we just begin from mixing the ingredient first. Add the vanilla and baking powder to the flour. Mix it well. Then set it aside. Put the milk. Break the egg. Add the sugar and also emulsifier. Mix it well. Mix until it becoming well. And shortly after, we can increase the mixture speed one level above it. Mix well. Then turn it to the maximum level. Guys, this is a secret to successfully making steam cake. Mix the egg, sugar, and emulsifier until they becoming white first. And so after that, we can add flour, little by little, alternating with milk. Turn up the mixer after everything is well blended. Then immediately put the white batter, about 1 tablespoon, into the plastic cone. We will use this leather to paint the Hello Kitty face. Put it while in the refrigerator. This way is in order to keep the batter stay bright white. Take the batter, about 1 tablespoon, to plastic cone and give it some pink food coloring. Mix like this way. This is very easy way to mix the batter without using any other container, and of course, save you more time. Do the same way for another color, except dark brown and egg yolk color. And for dark brown color, we just need about a half teaspoon of butter. For egg yolk color, we just need about a quarter teaspoon of butter. Then put all the rest of the butter into the plastic cone. Give the plastic cone butter tip the big cut like this. So, put it into the paper cups, half of it. Then give them the fillings, slice of chocolate and cheese. Then put in again the rest of butter, almost full on it. For the next step, let's give the plastic tip of colored butter a little cut like this. Do the same way for another color. Now we begin to make the background first. Get a wing one, cover all on the top of butter. Never mind, it's not too neat, because the butter will smooth on its own when it's cooked later. The important thing is making sure that the colored butter is the perfect cover. It is up to you what kind of color and pattern you like to make for a Hello Kitty background. When it's almost done, you can preheat the steamer until the water boils. Then turn down into the low heat. Put all the butter into the steamer. Give it low heat for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
After 5 minutes, we can turn up the heat to the highest. Then we wait again about 5 minutes. All this method is the key of successfully making an over fluffy steam cake. We use low heat for 5 minutes followed by high heat for 5 minutes too in steaming. It will make the cake fluffy with a smooth surface, not broken because over fluffing. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, guys. Turn off the heat. Let's take and chill it. Then, now we can start painting the Hello Kitty face on it. Give the plastic tip of the white butter that we have left in the refrigerator before a little cut like this. Take a cake with a blue background or whatever you like. Then we start painting in the center with a combined shape of rectangles and oval like this. Then give a small triangle shape on the top left and right one like this. Give the plastic tip of dark brown butter a tiny cut like this and use it to draw the mustache on the right 3 small horizontal lines, and do the same on the left. Then make the eyes with a small descending line beside the top mustache line. Give the plastic tip of egg yolk color butter a tiny cut like this too. Then draw a nose with a small horizontal line in the middle, alignment to the lowest mustache. We give the ribbon over the right Hello Kitty's ear using the red one. Give the random dots as a sweetener. This can also cover the holes if any around it by using pink or other color butter you like. It's done. Then set it aside. Repeat the same way for each cake. If the background surface is smooth without any holes, we don't need to add any dots on it. We can also create Hello Kitty size shape with a cute line like this. Do whatever you like to create it. And it ribbons with a flower shape like this. Wow, they have cute shape, isn't it, guys? Have fun! So, when it's almost done, preheat again the steamer and turn down it to the low heat. Then steam them again over high heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat, take and chill it. And remove from the cups using the small knife like this. How cute and adorable they are! Now let's try how it tastes. Bismillah! Whoa, take a look here, guys. The chocolate is melted. It's pity to be thrown away. Yummy! Bye bye Hello Kitty. Leather. Now, let's try the cheese one. It's so fluffy. Bismillah. Whoops! Wow! The cheese is melted. One more bite, please. Can't stop it. So far, I prefer the cheese one. And how about you? Leave the comment, please. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share below so you can get our next notification videos. Thanks for watching and later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone.